What up, YouTube? It's your boy Devon Duncan. We at it again. One more time, man. Hey, before we start this video, you already know the drill. Like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and share this thing, man. We going up, man. I'm almost to 1K. 1K. I'm gonna be giving away that $300, and we gonna get it going. You know what I'm saying? I'm close. I'm so close I can taste it. You taste that? No, but for real, man, we almost to 1K. I love the support, man. I want to thank y'all. If I don't thank y'all enough, thank y'all, man, just for the support. It's, you know what I'm saying? I love it. But, man, we finna get y'all to a video today. You probably already read the thing. We finna show y'all what I got going. My sound system set up. I got everything. I probably got a little bit of more stuff, but most part, everything is here. And I got my dash. My dash came in, and once that thing get put in, oh my God. That thing so nasty. I don't know if I'm going to show y'all first or last. I am excited, though. That thing nasty. I'm so happy that I traded in my what is that called? My digital dash for this one. Not even on the same level, honestly. And it's around the same price. $100 difference. Really, I got like a little deal on it, so it was about the same price. Honestly, probably like a $30 difference for me. But anyway, man, we're going to get y'all right to it. Ooh, what a nice angle right there. Ooh-wee. All right, man, this is what we rocking with, man. I probably showed some of this stuff already, but we going to show it again for the people who ain't seen it. Some of this stuff has been seen, but it's cool. All right, we're going to start off first. My whole setup is mainly skar. Well, half of it, I guess. So we got some skar 8s. I'm running with 4 of them. If you want to know where I get everything from, man, Amazon. I go crazy with Amazon. I ain't gonna lie. Everything from Amazon, like everything. I buy everything from Amazon because they got everything. But this is it. I ain't bring a knife out here. I thought one of the boxes was open. Let's see if this one open. Hey, these things is chunky and they pretty cheap, man. This was a cool brand, man. If the performance is good, then man, this you can't beat this. Hold up. All right, man. I had to cut it off a little bit so I could get the speaker out. I was struggling. This thing heavy though, man. It's an 8. Look how chunky that thing is. This thing is chunky. Like for 8, I was very impressed. And these things is like $80 a piece. If I ain't already said that, but they like $80 a piece. That's that. Then I got these 6.5. I went with Infinity because they make like a shallow mount, and with them door panels I got, it's pretty shallow, and I still don't think they gonna fit, but we're gonna see what the stereo shop can do. I'm finna take it down to them in a second. All right, then we got the ounce 500. Did I get y'all the? Here, let me give y'all what it looking like right here. That's the part. I mean, that's the whatever reference number that you wanna check out if you wanna check that out. On the subs, let's see, it's a SVR8 D2. Check that out if you want to. Then we got 500 watt amp. That's for my highs and mids. I'm gonna have all my 6.5s running, and then I got 3.5s in the front. They already installed though, cause I ain't want to pull my dash up. Then we have 2,000 watt. You know, I know y'all want to see probably the inside. It's the same thing. It's pretty small though. You know what I'm saying? They pretty small amps. Hopefully they packing enough power. I ain't trying to go too crazy though. But I got the RP series. It's not the best series, but it's not the worst series. It's like the middle series. I ain't trying to go too crazy with the music. I mean, I got 4/8, so a little crazy, but not too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Then I don't know if this deck gonna work, but if it do, man, I'm gonna be happy. I really wanted this thing right here. It's a tablet, basically, an Android tablet. You know what I'm saying? Singled in, and it supposedly slap right in and, you know, go in with your phone. I'm an Android man, so you know what I'm saying. I'm rocking with the Android, so hopefully that work out for me. All right, man. Let's show y'all. Last but not least, man, this thing go crazy. Ooh. Yeah, got that autometer, direct fit. What is it called? Autometer 7005, man. If you got a G-body, I think it's like, in fact, 78 to 87 G-body. Ain't got the part number thing on it, but it's an autometer 7005. I thought it was just the screen that come, and you know, we put it in your normal dash, but nah, it's the whole dash basically. And I'm glad that they knocked this off, you know, with the emergency light and stuff. I thought that was a little too retro for me, so I like it. And then it got the AC vent, you know what I'm saying? It got the little holes that come with it, all the pieces you need. And oh man, I did have to order one more piece to go with it, for my transmission. Oh dang, what is it called? I had it. It's like 9153 is the part number. Just put autometer 9153, and that'll get you right. Like that'll get you for the newer transmissions. If not, man, you just gonna have to I'm gonna just edit it in this video. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna put the number like right now at the bottom. Alright. So what else? Right now, that's it for right now, man. That's it for right now. We're finna get her on the road. I'm finna go ahead and put her back together. I've been playing with it. But I'm gonna tell y'all the story of why it ain't put back together. Why I haven't tried to put it back together. So just hold your horse. I'm finna get to it in just a second. Alright, man. It's a long story of why my car ain't put back together, but I'm gonna keep it short because I ain't finna just talk y'all out. But my car ain't put back together because I was thinking about it getting repainted. Y'all know me. If y'all been watching, man, I'm picky with this stuff. But yeah, I was thinking about getting it repainted. And I was gonna send it to Houston, get it resprayed and just spend the bread. But everybody like, man, you could at least ride this paint job for a year. Like, it ain't bad like that, bro. You tripping. And I'm like, yeah, y'all right. Like, cause I mean, I'm gonna be a bill. I spent $4,000 on the paint job. The original agreement was $5,000. But you know, folks got to tripping at the end, playing games, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't end up paying him that $1,000, and I ain't end up he ain't end up finishing my car because he was playing the weird games. But anyway, enough of that. But yeah, we just gonna keep it like this for a year, and I'm gonna get it sprayed in the wintertime. But it's definitely getting sprayed again. But this paint job is pretty decent. It's not good, but it's not bad. You know what I'm saying? It's not good, but it's not bad. But that's to people who know paint. Like, I know my Candace, because that's all the paint job I ever got is Candace. So, I mean, it's some flaws in it for sure. And, you know, I'm kind of picky, so I want it kind of perfect. If not perfect, close to perfect. And it's like, it's not close to perfect at all. But, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad, but my partner just was like, man, if I was you, I'd just ride it for a summer, spread again, because basically, I'm going to just break down some numbers. 4,000, and then the dude in Houston quoted me 6,000, so I would have spent 10,000 on paint just in, one season. But I'm going to just wait out on it. I'm going to finish it out right now, so I'm finna be moving, so y'all finna be catching some videos. And I don't know, man. I honestly ain't sold myself all the way on not getting it painted. So, hey, y'all see it get painted, it's getting painted. But we gonna see as time go. Right now, I'm gonna put it back together. Finish my bed line. I'm gonna get my bed liner done, and we just gonna keep pushing, man. Can't let one person stop the process. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, we finna get the music shop. Try to get. I ain't gonna get everything installed because he said he ain't got room for me to do a big job like this. But he gonna try to get as much as he can and over the weekend and whatnot. And we on to the next, man. I'm finna finish this thing out though. I'm finna stop playing, finish this car out, and we finna be on the road. Get more videos, get more videos done, get more everything done. Man, we on the road, man. We finna go on tour, man. Me and my partner Dre with the Red SS, if y'all been following. We going on tour, man, this summer. So y'all boys be ready. We probably come to a city near you. But anyway, man, before I leave this video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Run it up, man. Run it up. But man, I thank y'all for all the support. Till next time. Peace.